Hello, I am Dr. Kellie Alston, and I'd like to welcome you to the Professor's Week in Review, or better known as the Wire Writers Workshop, where I encourage you to be mindfully healthy as you impact higher education. In case you are not aware, I created a journal just for you. If you are a college instructor, a lecturer, or professor of any rank, so that you can reflect on your higher ed journey. Each week, there are 9 prompts that guide you through some deep thinking. Thinking that you may do but may never say out loud or even write. Well, the very first prompt is, what went well this week? So we're going to launch this first writer's workshop with the topic, acknowledging your triumphs. A triumph is the joy or exultation of victory or success, or the feeling of exaltation and happiness derived from a victory or major achievement. What a wonderful way to start it off, right? Thinking on the good things. So, how exactly do you go about acknowledging your triumphs through journaling? It's pretty simple. Here are just 2 tips to get you started. Number 1, utilize the designated section in the Professor's Week in Review journal to document your triumphs. It is the first page after each week's divider page. This page is dedicated to celebrating your wins. You will be surprised by how having this visual reminder will inspire you to keep making progress and keep accomplishing victories, great or small. Number 2, be specific about your triumphs. Instead of just saying, I did a good job today, dive deeper and explore the details. Write about the challenges you overcame, the skills you developed, how you helped someone, how you accomplished a goal, or even completed items on your to-do list. Perhaps you controlled your emotions and handled a situation with care. Consider the strengths you exhibited during a difficult situation. Maybe you read through all your emails and responded to everyone in a timely fashion. That is definitely a victory in higher ed. I could go on and on. You see, this level of reflection allows you to fully appreciate the journey you've taken. No matter what is going on, you may be surprised to find out how many triumphs have taken place this past week. Remember, acknowledging your triumphs isn't about bragging or comparing yourself to others. It's about recognizing your own growth and progress. Your journey is unique, and your triumphs are a testament to your resilience, dedication, and personal development. By making this practice a regular part of your journaling routine, you'll cultivate a mindset of gratitude, which is another page in your journal. Your triumphs easily become stepping stones to your future successes, and you'll find yourself more motivated and confident to pursue your dreams. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem, and do it every week because they are the building blocks of a fulfilling and successful life. So, let's do what we came to do, and that is write. Grab your journal or open the fillable PDF version on your device. Take a deep breath and let the words flow onto the pages. The timer is set for 7 minutes. Let's write. Wasn't that nice? Be sure to take some time away from your journal today, but then come back in a couple of hours or maybe even tomorrow and read your entry. Watch your smile go from ear to ear. I am always amazed by how my mind can go back to an event or an emotion when I read about it in my journal. How about you? Well, thank you for writing with me for this episode of The Wire Writer's Workshop entitled Acknowledging Your Triumphs, where we celebrate your wins. Tongue-tied there. Remember, you are capable of amazing things, and your triumphs deserve to be celebrated. Let this video be a companion for you as you reflect each week. If you have not done so, order your journal at bit.ly, The Wire Journal, or download it at bit.ly, The Fillable Wire. You can also click any of the links in the description. Until next time, continue to make it a mindful semester. Bye-bye.